Today we will use square paper to fold this paper airplane. First, make a half fold. And then take the corner and fold to the top edge. Open it and fold again to the crease we just made, and then fold it and we will make a half fold like this. Open it. Here we can see a thin crease. Take the corner and fold. Start from the end of the crease. And keep the edge parallel to the top edge. And then fold the other side. Okay, we should get it like this, and then make half fold. And then we will fold the wings about 1.5 centimeters from the bottom edge. Fold the other side. Okay, fold the winglet. Okay. To make the plane fly well, we can make it like this and adjust wings. We have finished. Okay, the plane is ready. See you next time.